At today's pandemic briefing, a plea for personal responsibility from the governor to college students statewide.
You've seen entire campuses in other parts of the country have to close because of their massive, very rapid outbreaks. In a matter of days, hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of kids. So a few off-campus parties end up shutting down the entire system. That is real. That is very detrimental to your university and your system, and we just want everyone to understand the fate of that is really in your control.
The state is still at work on a centralized website that will allow the public to track COVID cases in primary and secondary schools. Today, health officials announced that cases on college campuses would be added to the site as well.
We're already seeing several colleges now publicly reporting new cases identified in students that were identified either through the pre-screening or the on-campus screening process.
HHS Commissioner Lori Shibinette says New Hampshire expects to see an increase in the number of confirmed COVID cases among young adults due to robust testing programs on campus. But the delays some campuses are seeing in getting test results were acknowledged today, with the governor saying he's spoken to administrators about the issues.
If universities feel that it's right to delay before students come in, I think that's the right thing to do. You got to really take precautions, and even if it's an extra week or two.
Speaking of large gatherings, we did ask state epidemiologist Dr. Benjamin Chan about the NASCAR race in Loudon 3 weeks ago. He says he's not aware of any confirmed COVID-19 cases linked to that event. Reporting in Concord, Adam Sexton, WMUR News 9.